How to set up your boat profile in Navionics app. Step 1. Launch the Navionics boating app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you sign in with your account. From the main screen, tap the menu icon. Then, select Boat Settings. Step 2. In the Boat Settings section, you'll need to fill in your boat specs, boat type, length beam, and draft in feet or meters. Cruise speed and fuel consumption. These details help the app generate more accurate auto-routing and safe passages based on your boat size and limitations. Step 3. Once you enter all the info, just tap Save or Apply. You can go back anytime to update these settings if the boat changes or if you switch vessels. Step 4. Now, your boat profile is activated. Navionics will use your boat specs for route planning, deep warnings, and customized chart overlays, giving you safer and smarter guidance. And that's it.